Hello guys! Today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to view the location information of your earbuds, Vervebuds 250 of course, in your application. To view this location information, you need to grant the permission for the application. Of course, the installation of this application, which is called Hubble Connect for RiverLive application, is quite complex. So if you want to know how to install it, you can check our channel. So once you are here, or you are not there, you need to of course install the application first. And now, you need to make sure that you've got your permission granted for your application. So find this application on your home screen and straight from here, tap App Info. Tap Permissions, and of course, apart from nearby devices, which is necessary for your application to pair with your earbuds, you need to grant location. So here, while it's not allowed, while it's in this section right here, you need to tap only while using the application. And now, if you enter the application, you will see your current location. You can tap this map to open this in your Maps application. That's it. Goodbye.